Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Impressa SA espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tuna, and we also had to replace these hoses. It took a while for us to get them here as they were on back order. And we're gonna test it out starting with one shot of espresso, then we're gonna use the steamer and then the hot water. Beautiful color coming out of the machine. 2 ounces of liquid, which is perfect. Hot water. Good flow. Excellent temperature. And now for the steamer. And as you can see, good pressure coming out of the steamer. Excellent temperature as well. And there you have it, your impressa essay. Once again, so thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.